Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So aren't these doggies cute? This is called Doggie Valentine Friends and I'm using Hammermill cardstock. I'm going to heat emboss these cute dogs with Onyx Versifying ink and clear embossing powder. I'm doing some simple coloring with my Copic markers and I will have them up above for you. I will also have them in the description as well. And I thought this was a cute set. It can be for any occasion. It could be for Valentine's Day. I will probably make this into a Valentine card, but there are plenty of sentiments that can just be for a fun love card or just to let you know you're thinking of someone. There's one that says "You lift me," which is a nice sentiment. And I thought this scene was really cute. I was gonna leave as is, like a rectangle panel here, but I'm going to end up fussy cutting these dogs out later. And I thought this brown was really fun. I like this color combo, and I used my Sandy Allnock color chart for this color combo, and sometimes when I'm not sure, it's really helpful. And so finishing up this cute dog, I will move on to the poodle, and I love the ice cream shake that they are sharing. And I immediately thought of strawberry, although chocolate is my first choice, but I guess with Valentine's Day, I immediately go for pinks and reds. So I thought of a strawberry shake. So they're going to share a strawberry shake for this card. And I just can't believe that it's Valentine's Day around the corner because it just feels like Christmas just ended. So where did January go? I don't know. But I am loving all the springtime crafting that I've been doing. So coloring up this poodle, I'm going to use some E-markers, and I really love my E41 and E40 combo. I've been using that a lot lately, and so I am just coloring circular motion because I was trying to give her some textured fur. And then I will be moving in with my warm gray markers to finish off her face and her legs and her feet. And so almost finished with this coloring. And lastly, then I will color in, well, I'm going to give them cheeks, although the cheek color that I use, I believe it is, let me see, R11, and it doesn't really show up on my brown dog, but that's okay. It shows up on my poodle, and she's adorable. So lastly, so here is the cheeks, and then lastly, I will color in the shake. And I was going to go with a frosted look for the shake, but I just went with pink because maybe it's a pink glass, maybe it's a clear glass, and you can see the pink ice cream shake in there. So lots of possibilities. And I'm also going to be doing some ink blending and I will add some pattern paper as well. I really love the Starring Hearts paper pad. It's really pretty. I use so much of it that I probably need a new paper pack. So I will have everything listed down below for you. And so all finished, and trying to see with my cover plate die. It's called the Floating Hearts. You can leave as is with white cardstock, and it's really pretty because it has lots of stitching. Or you could do some ink blending, and I'm going to be a little bit harsh with my ink blending today. I don't know what it was, but that's okay because I'm going to add some pattern paper, and I guess I think my brush just needs to be cleaned, and because it didn't really blend the way I wanted it to, but that's okay. And so here is a scallop circle frame that I'm using with that pattern paper. I'm also going to use a scalloped rectangle, so everything is very scalloped. And just finishing coloring in his collar. And I'm going to be adding some foam tape to the back of my dogs and also to the back of my sentiment. My sentiment is going to say, "Your love is better than ice cream." And isn't that sweet? So cute. I love ice cream, so for that sentiment, it means a lot, right? And so just gluing everything else with a liquid glue, and then I will just place everything together. So I love how this card came out. I actually did a different voiceover. My voice kind of was out earlier, so I had to redo my voiceover because I don't know what was going on. I was feeling under the weather, I guess. And so I am happy to have my voice a little bit better today. So I am just adding that everything together, and then I'm going to make a fishtail flag here with my scissors. And I was being really brave because usually I use my paper trimmer, but I just used my scissors and cut everything, and I even cut even more with my scissors. So really, really brave, and I'm glad everything looked straight. And still fussy cutting that tail out, and got it. So yay, everything looks cute. A cute Valentine card. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really had fun making this card, and I will be back with another Valentine card, I believe. And so thank you, and I appreciate it. And just gluing this last piece, and then I will share a close-up. And I have this A2 card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, using my Whimsy Stamps bone folder to crease everything down. And so here's my close-up. So thank you.